Hi Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the 3rd of November. I am your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. So Capricorn, my cat is named Kiki. Do they love me? Are we riding? Someone never leave up beside me. I wanna be like, yo, what's up, man? Meet my cat. Right? That's what I wanna be. My cats have a birthday. Yeah, I'm a tarot reader, so this is actually amazing to me. My cat is born August the 16th. Okay, this is the 16th, okay? And birth certificate, okay? My birth certificate. Okay, so it's August the 16th, so my cat is a Leo. Oh my God. My brother is a Leo, my sister is a Leo, my ex-husband is a Leo. Who the fuck else? Man wants to come and blood plant with an informer for the police. He's a Leo. Leo's always in my life, the sun. Now I know I have a specific Leo placement. It's either it's in a Capricorn or rising. But August the 16th, that means my kitty birthday is a number 7. So somebody born August the 7th. Ugh. Oh my God. I can't get away from this curse. No, it's not you, sweetie. It's not you, kitty. It's never you. You still love me? Are we riding? We never leave beside me? Okay. If it's not August the 7th, then it's August the 25th. Either way, do you have the birth paper for your cats? You are not good parents. Did you steal your child? Such animal? What is your animal's birthday? Do you celebrate birthdays all the day? What do you do? Because when I was in Jamaica, I remember we had gummies and cake. And even though we're not supposed to give animals gummy and cake, we gave it to the dog for his birthday. What do you do for your dog's birthday? Nada. Let's just go ahead and go into your reading. Capricorn, I'm trying to talk to you. Anyways, this is my kitty. The officer, no officer. Because them tell me some up, they look good officer. And when I brought them and showed them up, the officer, them telling me, oh, Mupsy can't stay here. What you mean Mupsy can't stay here? Mupsy has birth documents. So Mupsy is legal here. Mupsy is not an immigrant. Mupsy never come through kingships. Telling me Mupsy can't be here. Why Mupsy can't be here? Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Capricorn, we're looking at your, what is this? Oh my God. Your growth card spread. 4 cards, just 4. Just needed 4. Yo, give me 4 digits now. More guess out of 3, baby, the way you look. Okay, let's go. What is the current phase you're in? The devil card. I am telling you. Capricorn, you know from when you forgive me unbuckle money, bruh? Yes, sir. All up the thing because you want man impoverished. You don't want to see man shopping at Sobeys. You don't see what you don't want man to have all inclusive package at Rogers. Why are you harboring this devilish vibe, Capricorn? The devil. You came up for your reading. Good shit, Capricorn. That's why I like you. You will always show up, especially if it's for. Alright, let's continue. Let's go up in head. So I'm getting something about a Capricorn. Check your birth chart. Maybe the Leon and the Sun or something about your birth chart on Capricorn. Let's go. The current phase you're in is a devil card. So maybe I discover birth chart, you dabble in the occult. The woman do not fucking magic for my fucking. They do not magic for my. And some people, if you know that when they post pictures of the baby online and the birthday, people have the magic on the baby. That's when the baby not talk earlier, them not the things early. People have the magic on the baby birth chart and post the fucking baby and the picture. What the fuck you doing, hoes? You say the strippers posting them on the pole? There actually is. I just saw a video with a girl teaching the cat how to strip on the pole. The cat was learning. This is crazy. What do you need to let go of, Capricorn? The police officer. I'm telling some officer, I don't know what this is, officer. Him tell me some of the gas. Him tell me say you was selling. Oh, officer, why are you irritating me? You were about to lose your job. You were about to lose your. The Capricorn tell us, sell me and sell pussy. I wasn't selling pussy. I did not want to deal with the Capricorn anymore, and I gave him back the laptop. This is a laptop issue. Probably the fucking laptop was hacked on the dark web and he gave me for blood clot use. My webcam was hacked. I tried to open my webcam. It's a webcam being in use. How the fuck was that possible? Right? Officer, him tell us, I would never sell. Never. Say, I have birth documents. Did they have the birth documents for? Tell them for sure the receipt, officer. Tell them for sure the fucking receipt to the woman. Ask the, see the put, see the, ask the, see if they did sell it. They never. Officer, I didn't sell it to you. Did I sell it to an undercover officer? That is the talk of the town. I sell my pussy to undercover officer. Would I never sell my pussy to an undercover officer that give him for free? Selling pussy to undercover officers. They're doing their service here. Why would I sell them? Propaganda. What should you focus on? The Six of Pentacles. Exactly. I'm homeless. You're saying because I'm homeless, I'm selling. Say I never homeless people sell pussy. Some of them are security guard. Some of them is doctors. Some of them is future CEOs. Be careful how you talk to me. I'm a future U.S. military army servant. Right? Okay? Right? Six of Pentacles. The officers would have given me a donations. Write a check for me. Go on CP24 and hand it to me. I'm going to do this thank you for the donations and wink because the officer know that I am the one that you like. And you know every time I try, cause I'm alright. I'm ready to swallow my pride and put all the bullshit to the side. If you're ready to ride, I'm down for a one night stand. And I'll accept it any way that I can. Cause I ain't your girl. I try for whatever it works. Just remember who play who first. Officer, right? Talking about selling homeless to officers. Criminality, this is a charge. How can you tap into your higher self? Okay, so the King of Wands here. So maybe I don't know if they argue that tapping into your higher self is the King of Wands. So again, you want Leo? They told you I wanted a fucking lion. I ain't doing that. I wanted a kitty. So again, Leo, somebody born August the 16th. Or the one number 7. Because that's what my cat is. Anyways, come, just stay here. I'm gonna finish the reading. Let's go. We have one way. We have PhD. And everybody in a shelter cell talking about a selling map. My post right now. Can you make sure that map is warm? Home first. But you know what this one take up on yourself and add up. Can you see this? This look like you're getting a trouble with the police them. I swear, right? PhD. Some of we are doctor here. Some of them is nurses. Talking shit. Call this stuff and like Dexy Sakama. I'm sorry. My ex-husband used to cuss that every day in the house. Every day he used to cuss it. Boy. What else is this? Initiation ritual. I trusted the wrong person. And we have the Emperor. I'm going to leave it here until next time.